Hello my lovely K-pop addicts, I'm back with another unboxing video, and this one is F.Cuz, No One. Oh, I've been waiting forever to get this. I love this song. It's a sleeve. There we go, that's the sleeve. So this is the Taiwan version, so there's the songs, and then it comes with the DVD, with the MVs and all that. CD, DVD, but now he's in M.Pire. Very disappointing, and very shocking and surprising because now, like, he was supposed to go solo. Jinon. It's signed. Got the signature here. LeeU. Jinon, LeeU. Con. Yejun. He's my bias, and then LeeU. Con. Yejun. Jinon. LeeU, I really miss you. Con. The disappointing thing for M.Pire is I don't like their songs, except their new song that came out. But I still think LeeU does not really fit that group. But whatever, gotta move on. Done is done. Yada yada yada. Oh my god, they're so awesome. Behind the scenes. They're so cute. Yejun. That ring. Star ring. So the song. And that's it. So I hope you liked this unboxing video. Until next time.